So right about now, you don't know, say it's a new day, and it's a new year, so it's a new vlog.
Happy New Year.
And right now, I want to talk to you right now, I'm over in Hartley Park. Everybody's supposed to know famous Hartley Park, rain and fall. So I want kind of hide back on. Yeah, I probably can shelter you. So I have a whole lot of things I want to talk to you about in terms of the channel and what I expect for the new year. Whole heap of things go on this year. Whole heap of things go on this year. First, I have to say, I have whole heap of things this year. Well, last year, what I have to celebrate about. You know what I mean? I met the Gleaner twice. You know what I mean? That was a big, huge accomplishment for me. Apart from that, I start doing my own short film them. You know what I mean? I put out a short film called Right Hand. If you want to check that out, see it right or so. Make sure you go. I want to check that out. I do a next short film called Simone. The writer so too. If you want to check that out, make sure you go check that out. Because this year, I go do whole heap of short film and I go do whole heap of movie. Because I don't have movie right out already. It's just me if you do it now. So I want to check out the short film. Then I do a next short film. The last short film I do called Trust. I want to check out that, see it up on the screen right now. So I want to go over to my page and support all of them short film. If you go to my page right now, you are going to notice I just short film when I sip on the page. Me private all I video them. You know what I mean? And the reason for that is me want highlight the short film them more, make people support the short film them more. So when I do me private every single video on my page and just left the 3 short film them to the public. So you can check out them on the page. For the new year, I really feel like me gonna keep the rest of them video they private for now and just build fresh. You know what I mean? Because trust me, I'm me alone, and that's why you don't see me put out so much vlog. Because when I say I'm me alone, I mean literally me alone. In terms of that, the channel have to change from one to know it. Because I want to start know the channel here. I just me plus friends plus be people. So I'm used to seeing whole heap of people in the video them. Now, I'm not there around everybody, you know what I mean? So the channel have to go change. The direction of the channel have to go change. Who they and really want to support me, I go stay and support me. Who no want to support it, me not have no choice. And me can't feel no way if you no want to dig up or lift up. You know what I mean? That's a full no choice. So yeah, that's what me have planned for the new year. Couple of new things. As me said, me I go drop couple short film, couple movies. You know, go see back some vlog, but in I vlog them, you know, go see everybody, so you know, have to ask where everybody there. A whole heap of new things you know, go see forward. A whole heap of new things you know, go see me I bring to the channel. You know, go see me I try out couple things. Like you know, go see some weird types of video. I know the whole of them, me I go do, me I go keep doing, or me I go always do. Some of them are going to be trial and error, you know what I mean? But we have to learn. This year is all about learning. And this year is all about creating content and just put it out. And who like it, who not like it. You know what I mean? Me not have no control over that. So this year, me just going to be more intentional when it comes to creating. Yes, that's for right now. Me just want to inform you on what I go on. Because I know a long time you don't see me. A long time in a vlog, so I don't want to feel like me neglect, you know, or I'm done with the vlogging and I'm done with that. You know me stay when it comes to that. If I feel like a video not entertaining enough, I normally don't want to do it, or I normally do it and don't post it. This year, all of that change. All of that change. From the video it go up. You know what I mean? There's a market for everything. You have some people who like it, you have some people who don't like it. So, me can't control that. So I just go do video and post them. You know what I mean? Who they have to support, who they have to, you know, big up on yourself same way. So right now I just go post this phone, you know, keeping updated. So blessings and respect me there. Bad move.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it